Hey guys, welcome back on another Facebook tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you that how to invite group members to make group moderator or admin in any Android device. So let's get started. Tap on Facebook app to open it and tap on hamburger icon. Select groups, open group, tap on admin tools and insights. Here tap on members. Now search that member name you want to make him as moderator or admin and tap on this icon. Tap on make moderator to make moderator and tap on make admin to make him or her as admin of this group. Also, you can remove or block any member